Hi everyone, my name is Jaya. I am an ICU nurse and nursing educator. In this video, we are going to see how the electrical activity of the heart is recorded on an ECG and the importance of ECG machine for recording. Before entering into the topic, I would like to extend my gratitude to all my subscribers and viewers for your support to attain 400 new subscribers and 7 lakhs views on my fetal weight chart video. Your support motivates me to keep creating more helpful and meaningful content. So please keep supporting. Thank you for being part of my journey. Now we will move towards the topic. If someone comes to the hospital with chest pain or any cardiac problem, the doctor will advise to do an ECG. The nurse or ECG technician will take the ECG. It is also very important to know that how the heart function or electrical activity is transmitted and displayed in the ECG machine and recorded as waveform. So what is an electrocardiogram? Electro meaning electrical activity, cardio meaning heart, gram meaning recording. So electrocardiogram meaning recording of electrical activity of the heart. Now let's see how the electrical activity is produced in the heart. The electrical activity of the heart is generated by the SA node, and this electrical signal is conducted to the AV node, AV bundle, then to right and left bundle branches to Purkinje fibers, finally to the cardiac muscles. This electrical activity can be recorded with the help of a machine called ECG machine. I have given the detailed full video link about the cardiac conduction system in the description below. Please follow the link. So let's see what are the parts of ECG machine. ECG electrodes, leads, display unit, paper and printer, amplifier and filters, power supply, memory and storage, control panel. All these parts play a distinct role in an ECG test. Let's see one by one in detail. So first, let's clarify some definitions because lot of people get this wrong. In order to obtain a 12-lead ECG, 10 electrodes are placed on the skin. Electrodes and leads are not the same. Electrodes can either be disposable, bulb or clamp electrodes. Electrode is an adhesive conductive pad that sticks to the skin, while lead wire is color-coded wire. The electrodes are connected to the ECG machine via lead wires. So let's see about the electrodes first. Electrodes are the primary component of an ECG machine that are attached to the arms, legs and chest. The electrical activity of the heart is transmitted throughout the body. These electrodes act as sensors and can pick up the electrical activity of the heart. Electrodes should have full contact with the patient's skin because the heart electrical signals are transmitted to the electrodes. So make sure the electrode conducting gel is fresh and adequately moist, because a dry electrode with inadequate gel reduces the conduction of the ECG signal. Electrodes should not be placed over bones and over areas where there is a lot of muscle movement to reduce artifacts. Next is ECG leads. ECG lead cables connect the electrodes to the ECG machine. They transmit the electrical signals captured by the electrodes to the ECG machine for processing and display. ECG machine has numerous leads. Each lead records electrical impulses from a specific heart location. Next is ECG machine display. The ECG machine displays the heart's electrical activity as waveforms. Next is amplifier. ECG machine has signal amplification and filtering. The heart's electrical signals are very weak, so the amplifier is necessary. So this amplifier is responsible for amplifying the weak electrical signals received from the electrodes. Amplifier is located within the main unit, means inside the ECG machine. Filters. Filters are used to remove unwanted noise, artifacts and interference from the electrical signals. Common source of noise include muscle contractions, electrical interference from other devices such as mobile phone, smartphones and movement artifacts. Then signal conversion and display. These amplified and filtered signals are converted into a visual representation using a graphical display. Electrocardiogram are presented as a series of waves, each representing different phases of the heart's electrical activity. Next is control panel. This control panel is the interface through which healthcare professionals operate the ECG machine. It includes buttons, knobs and touch screens that allow users to start and stop recordings, adjust settings, select lead configurations and input patient information. A user-friendly control panel is essential for efficient and accurate operation, especially in emergency situation. Next is power source. Power source is very important because ECG machine requires consistent electricity to function properly. Most of the ECG machine include backup battery systems to supply power during unexpected power failures or during critical procedures and ensures continuous operation. Then of course paper and printer. ECG machines print recorded the ECG tracings on a special graph paper. So to concise the main points, this electrical activity of the heart is transmitted throughout the body and can be picked up by the electrodes placed on the skin. Lead wires connect the electrodes to the ECG machine. They transmit the electrical signals captured by the electrode to the ECG machine. ECG machine amplifies and filters the recorded signals to enhance their clarity. The amplified and filtered signals are converted into a visual graphical representation. The ECG machine displays the heart's electrical activity as waveforms, each representing different phases of the heart's electrical activity. ECG machines print recorded ECG tracings on special graph paper. These waveforms are then interpreted by healthcare professionals to identify any abnormalities in the heart function. This is the principle behind the ECG. So, with advances in technology and research, we can continue to deepen our knowledge of the heart and its electrical system, leading to better outcomes for patients with cardiovascular disease. That's all about this topic today. I hope this is a helpful review. If you have any comments or additions to what we covered, please let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. See you with another video. Thank you.